sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I will be showing you my living room makeover / Christmas decorations. This is a special video because I'm actually showing you all the behind the scenes, which is what you're looking at right now. So I had plans to do my fireplace over and also paint my living room. I just didn't think it was going to happen in the middle of December, which is crazy. Right after I decorated for fall, my husband found some time. He was able to paint the living room for me. So I hurried up, put everything away, all my fall decoration, which is why I didn't get a chance to really show it to you guys when it was up. So I'm going to show it to you in this video. And then I'll be showing you the process of me decorating for Christmas. And I was sad that I had to get rid of it because I really wanted to enjoy this look, but I just want to take you guys back just so you could see what the living room was looking like for fall. And when I say I did a pretty good job, I loved it. It was so peaceful. I was really into the black this holiday. But when my husband said he's ready, I just had to be like, you know what? Peace out, fall. I'll see you. Right now, you guys, I am in the middle of finishing up my living room for Christmas. Things are all over the place. Forgive me. I just want to share some updates with you guys. I still have the bar cart to go. I have not done nothing there. My fireplace area is complete. I just got to add some balls inside of the lantern and that'll be pretty much it. But this is complete. I'm actually working on the tree. I don't think y'all can see it good from where I'm standing at. So let me stand on this side. So I don't really know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just trying to go with the flow. The only thing I do know, I love the garland, so I'm not removing that. The inspiration was to have all the red flowers going on this side, the cranberry going down the middle, add some balls to the other side. I don't know if I need, I'm just trying to figure this out. I have not figured it out yet. It looks incomplete right now, so bear with me. I'm still working on it. Let's see how it looks at the end because right now I'm looking like, it's all right. I don't know. So we're gonna see what's going on. I'll let you know when I figure something out. You guys, let me show you. This is a brand new reindeer that I purchased from Home Goods. But while I was decorating the tree, and I knew the space was a little tight, I should have just moved it out the way. I ended up knocking it down, and look what happened. I hope glue could fix this, because if not, this is $130 that just went down the drain. And that's not gonna happen, okay? So we need to figure out how to fix this. If not, Houston, we got a huge problem. This is how the tree is looking when I was done with it. I end up not keeping it like this. I didn't have a clip of it on my video, so I used a reel on Instagram to show you guys what it looked like. The very next day, I started taking the stuff off because I was not happy with the tree. I really felt in my heart that I could do way much better, and that's what I'm going to do. But in the meantime, I wanted to show you guys the fire mantle. Look how pretty it looks. Look at the white, you guys. My husband did a great job with the paint job. You hear me? He did different shades of white. You really can't tell on the video, but when I say it's different shades of white and it looks so pretty, I honestly do feel like this could hold me down until we're able to get somebody else or the guy to come out and do the whole tile, because I didn't want to do a half job. So I'd rather just wait until I could do the full renovation on a fireplace. So this is how it's looking now. I honestly felt like I should have put more cranberries, and Hobby Lobby did not have any more. I ended up finding a store on Amazon that sells the cranberry sticks, so I ordered from them, and I will have the information in the description in case you need some yourself. I just love this area. I mean, I was standing there just looking at it. I do think the white made a big difference in the home. He painted the entire house white, like all the inside, because I really wanted like a clean look, and I felt like the white made it more spacious and it looks much better. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Anywho, so this is how the tree is looking now. I'm loving the red. I don't know, this year I'm feeling a little bit festive, so I just wanted red everywhere. I know My husband was like, that's a lot of red in here. But I was like, that's what I want. And red is one of my favorite colors. I just really wanted to go like the red. If I didn't have to use no other color on this tree, I would have just used red. But I threw in some gold, so, and there's different shades of red too. Wish I would have added more light. I'm really contemplating on taking all the balls down, starting over, because you guys, I ended up finding these garlands in Ross. So that's the garlands, and thank God I did. I ended up purchasing this garland on sale for $12.99. And I also purchased this wreath from Ross for $12.99. Back like in October, when I started looking for stuff for Christmas, I went inside Pottery Barns and they had this garland that I wanted so bad, this cranberry garland. It was $100-something. I was contemplating on getting it, but I didn't. Thank God I didn't, because boo-boo, look what God did for me. Let me get back to finish decorating and I will show you guys the entire space once I'm done. All right? All right, you guys, so this is what I got going on now. I did the cranberry. I kind of swirl it up a little bit. And now I'm going to add these on there and then see how it looks. I did take out some of the balls because I want to play around with these first. At first, I had them going the same direction of the garland. But now I think I'm just going to spread it out, just put them everywhere so I could fill up the tree a little bit, because I'm seeing a little bit too much pockets. So hopefully that works. I will let you guys know when I'm done. I think this is going to be the last update. When I'm finally done with everything, I'll come back on here. Okay, sunshines, I am here trying to figure out what I'm going to be doing next with this bar cart. I placed some stuff on it. I didn't decorate anything. I just had placed some things that I plan on using. So now I'm going to get started and let's see what I come up with. I'm done with the tree finally. I can't wait to do the full reveal. Check out my little reindeer in this corner just chilling. So this is a little sneak peek before I show y'all the real deal. But anywho, so wish me luck. Getting ready to clean this off. I'm going to use my Windex cleaner from Dollar Tree. All right, you guys, so this is clean. While I'm editing this video, I'm just looking at my living room and I'm like, I'm in love, because I'm in love with this room because I saw the progression, right? I saw the growth. If you go back and look at my videos that I've shared previously of my Christmas decorations in this space, you're gonna see a transformation. In life, you always have to congratulate yourself whenever you have some sort of progress, right? I'm looking at my furniture, I'm looking at my decor, I'm looking at my taste, how it's evolving. And I'm just like, and even the quality of this video, I'm just admiring all this work that's put into this space, and I'm loving it. If you don't congratulate yourself before anyone else does, listen, you're gonna go through life really heartbroken, because you have to be your first cheerleader. And I'm looking at this video right now, like I'm telling you guys, I'm just in love. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Let me know if you enjoyed this video. These are some of the clips that I have from reels that I shot for Instagram. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out, because look, I already showed this. A lot of my Instagram fam, if you on here, you already know you've seen this last week. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, Miss Deals Finder. DM me if you have any questions. I'm not one of those people who don't like DMs, although, no lie, my DMs are full. On Instagram, I have over 60 something thousand people. So they contact me on a daily, not everyone of course, but my DMs be lit. But I do read them, and I kind of filter them where I know which ones are general questions and which one are more personal and more interaction. So you guys, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy holidays. I'm hoping that I have one more video out before Christmas. That's my wish, because I do have some videos that I filmed that was waiting to be edited. I did not get a chance to edit them. Hopefully I'm able to compile them together and give it to you guys before Christmas. So tune in, maybe tomorrow, the day after. We still have 3 more days until Christmas. Love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.